Hey everyone, Garden of Adam here, and in today's video, what I'm going to talk about is potatoes. And a little hack I found out about or thought about beginning of the year when I got my whole garden started. And I wanted to show you this, that it actually has been working. And to kind of give a backstory on what really sparked the idea and made it click was I was thinking, okay, most garden videos I see about potatoes are really about just you got to basically put potatoes in soil and just leave it alone. It doesn't really matter what it's in or where it's at. As long as it gets sunlight, you just leave it, you set it and forget it basically. And so I was like, okay, it's like an easy bake oven. But I was like, all right, if potatoes are that easy to grow, let's give it a shot then. So I actually just spent about an hour and a half in the garden pulling weeds and watering and this and that. So I might even look sweaty and whatnot. Honestly, I'm really hot right now. And so let's go outside real quick and I'll show you what I've done. And then afterwards, I'll come back inside and kind of finish the rest of my thoughts and how it's been going. All right, so here's the potatoes, my 3 different potatoes I'm growing. I got the red ones over there, the Yukons right here, and the fingerlings right there. And just to get a little bit closer, I know my landscaping isn't the best, but the rest of the garden bed, which I'll show in other videos, has taken up quite a bit of time for me already. So I'm not the best at this again. It's just a bit off more than I can chew for now. But with these potatoes, all I did was get organic soil. I threw them in the bags, the coffee bags, and just watered, threw the soil in there, planted the potato seedlings. As soon as they started stemming up, put more soil over them, watered, and just kept doing that. And now I have to lift this up more and probably do the same just to make sure I don't get any overflow or anything like that. And as you can see, I mean, they're doing well. They're not struggling that bad or anything. This one is struggling a little bit because I forgot to water it. So the only issue I had was when I moved these, and again, that's probably why it's so messy over here, is because I'm scared to move them, is they seem a little fragile with the particular coffee bags I got, or at least this one. It ripped on the back over here, and now I don't want to move it. But I'm gonna have to eventually, because look what's happening on the inside right there. You can kind of see a Yukon Gold potato popping up, and that's definitely a seedling. Let me see if I can, there it is. I didn't want to get the leaves are wet, I just got them watering. So let's go back inside and I'll finish the video. All right, now that we're back inside, when it comes to that idea, I think it's a great idea to share. I know some people mention it, but in case it's the first time you saw this type of technique, it's been working except for that one minor issue of the bag tearing and the soil coming out. I have to replace that. But other than that, it's hit or miss on the quality of the bags. So really touch them and just kind of make sure that they feel durable. Maybe tug on them a little bit and this and that. But the other ones have been holding up fine. So all I've been doing after I've planted the seedlings is watering, and then when the stems and the leaves come up, fill it with soil, water, and just keep doing that until they're ready to harvest, which maybe another month or so, maybe a couple months, since I started it like April, end of April or something like that. So I'm thinking, wow, this is like the easiest veggie I've ever grown. And I know I'm not perfect or anything. Some days I really kind of forget to keep up with the watering just because I assume it's okay. But try that out. Go to or communicate with local coffee shops, especially the roasteries, and really ask them if they have any of those coffee bags that they want to give away or that they're throwing out, or maybe pay them $1 a piece. Definitely negotiate with them. And yeah, really easy way. Hope this tip was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.